said I was not gonna procrastinate, and here I am. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Jelisa and I'm back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. So in today's video, I have procrastinated once again. By the way, today is Halloween, so happy Halloween everybody, and be safe out there. But I went to Party City and I wanted to just do something really quick and simple for Halloween, and I picked up this little kit right here. It is actually a cat kit. It has the ears, the tail, and the little, I don't know why this is needed, but it's gonna go with the outfit. It has the little lady up here with her little cat outfit on. So I thought that was really simple, really quick, and a cat face is not too hard to make, especially being just super simple. And that's what we're gonna do today. So watch me do this. So as you can tell, I already have on like a natural beat face, and I'm just gonna take off my lipstick. So I'm actually gonna keep my makeup on and just go from here. For the sake of time, I'm gonna start, because I want it to be a really contoured cat face. I'm gonna start by using my Airspun powder. I'm gonna start by using my Airspun setting powder and highlighting the main areas on my face that I usually highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that bake and finish my cat face. I'm gonna use my CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer. So that is actually pretty red. So I'm gonna use my Black Radiance powder in the shade Ebony as well. I think I'm gonna go ahead and draw the nose. I'm gonna outline it using my eye pencil in the color black, of course, and it's by Nika K. Alright guys, so I went ahead and filled in my lips with this matte lipstick by Ruby Kisses. It's a really dark blue. It's called Navy Fleet. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this powder. So I already have a cat eye, so I'm gonna make it a little bit more dramatic by using this eyeliner by L'Oreal. let's try that one again. And I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey Highlighter. Okay. So I'm gonna try to do some liner somewhere under there, I think. Or am I just gonna mess it up? No. I'm gonna try to draw like the inner wing. Alright, so I'm putting a little bit of lip oil on my bottom lip. So this is how it turned out. Do I look like a cute little kitten? No. But what do you guys think? Go ahead and leave that down below. And I hope you guys have a really safe and enjoyable Halloween. Don't eat too much candy. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And hit the notification bell right beside it so you'll never miss another upload. I love you and be blessed.